inside our love. Come follow in the wisdom of the dove. We'll ride the wave of dolphin by the sea. I'm gonna laugh with the rhythm of life as it rolls through me. Hey, yeah, you, one with the worries, lay them down.
Hey, Mama. Oh, I'm riding on a surfboard. Cool.
We want to ride too. Hey, boy, we want to ride.
I don't do swimming, but I think I might like a day at the beach.
Hey, Mama. Can we go on the Ferris wheel? Cool. Mama, is that Crane walking on the ice? Oh, be careful, little dude.
Feeling free to think your thoughts, for in the end they do create you. We have come to learn our lessons. Let the silence come be with you. Let your love become your greater virtue. In these rooms we come to find a state of grace, some peace of mind, a higher power in a universe divine, my love. All of us are perfect in God's mind. Love is always perfect in God's mind. Universe divine, universe divine.
Hi kids, Music Mama here. I'm going to talk to you like you're my own kids because in a way you are. My new video is called Water is Life because water is life. Our planet is made up of 71% water. Awesome. Right, Jenny? She thinks so too. Water is your body's principal component and makes up about 50 to 70% of your body weight. All living plant life depends upon water and rain. We have time to enjoy any of these beautiful places where there is water. Whether you go to a river or a lake or a pond or a ocean or a pool, or if you're lucky enough, you could be standing under a waterfall in fresh, clean water. And that would be awesome. I always say thank you when I visit any one of these beautiful places. Try it. You know what? You might hear, "You're welcome." And when you are visiting the ocean, always be careful because the ocean can be very unpredictable. Good advice from lifeguards is to always swim with a buddy and pick up your trash when you're leaving your place. Now, another tip, not only do we pick up our own trash, but we pick up other people's trash. Conserve water when you wash your hands or brush your teeth. Oh, and I'm sure you all brush your teeth, right? And conserve water when you're washing your dishes, because you all wash your dishes, right? What, Ginny?
Ha ha ha. I don't do dishes, Mama.
She says, "Pa ha ha." You know those plastic rings that come around your soda bottles? We always make sure to cut those up because any kind of sea life coming up for air could choke on them. Now, there are 7.5 billion people on this planet, so we need to learn how to share our planet early. And if you have brothers and sisters, you probably learned how to do that early. So, guys, many people love to visit these places too. So, get in the water, have fun, and love above all. Right, baby? Come here. Show love.
And me too. I want to thank them too, Mama. Cool. Mama, is he going to jump? Cool.